Slang expressions. Abeg, fly. Please leave. Abeg, waka. Please leave. Abeg, clear. Please leave. Abeg, fade. Please get out of here. Abeg, pack well. This is an insulting way to say whatever you're saying is not relevant. So, spare me. Abeg, leave that thing. Please forget about it. Used to say what someone is saying is irrelevant. I've been waiting. What is it? Used to tell someone the person is pissing you off or
making you get irritated.
As e dey hot. Something in vogue or something that is trending. That means, for example, give us gist as e dey hot. Lay it on us as it's hot. As in, this is an expression used for clarification.
Literally meaning what?
As in an exclamation used when frustrated or surprised. Example, as in Joe just for my hand. Bad, gone. Very bad, but in a good way. That's the slang. Sploofic. Fantastic. Woggly. Very ugly. Pepper them. To make someone impressed enviously. For example, when I dey cruise my new ride, it just dey pepper them. Wella means well. I go do the job wella for you. Waiting. Waiting dey sup. Waiting day. Waiting dey happen. Which levels? How you doing? What's up? Before nko, it was expected. Sharp, sharp. Quickly. Do am sharp, sharp. Kia, kia. Quickly. Waka, kia, kia. Belle full. To be satisfied when eating. I don't belle full. Kerekete. Nyafu, nyafu. Choke pieces. Yakpa. Jaburata. Boku. Brekete. Enough. Fool die. Fool scatter. Plenty, plenty. When you say something is in abundance, is in excess, is plentiful. For example, food yapa for the party. Carry go. Go ahead. Wusai. Impossible. No way. Never. Olingo. Extreme enjoyment, partying, having a good time. Dele na olingo guy. No wahala. No yawa. No kai. No lele. No shaking. No problem. Cha-cha. Tear rubber. Chassis. Brand new. For example, my car na tear rubber. How far? How you doing? How your side? How are things where you are? Cut cap. I hail. I bow. A term that means to show great respect for somebody. For example, I cut cap for you. Chop beans. To fail at something. Roland chop beans for the last exam. Nayam. It's a lie. It can be true. It can be true. It's used to rebuff a statement one is not sure or if it's not true. Na beans. Used to describe something that is not easy. Na fight means chill, relax. Used to rebuff someone that is being unduly aggressive. Na koko. That's the main thing. Na shakpa I dey. I am broke. Na today. The obvious thing, not the first time. For example, na today we dey get crash party. Na today we dey get crash party. It's not the first time that we'll get crash in a party. Now, wow. Exclamation used to express surprise. No be moi moi. It's not child's play. This is something serious. You want tea farm? Now wash refers to those low class people who pretend to be classy, chic, and rich. People usually say it as a snide remark in reply to their pretentious remarks of being posh.
I just buy tear rubber jeep. You want tea farm? Now wash.
Raise me. Give me some money. I've been waiting. What's it? Usually used when highly irritated. For example, Leave me alone now. I been waiting. Make I hear word. Means spare me the blah blah blah. Pepe no rest. I am broke. Pepe don't rest. I am doing financially great now. Chop no cool. A fist bump, a form of greeting like high five. Chop up. Wealthy or increase in size bodily. A feast just the chop up. Chop cockroach. To be pregnant. Chop wowo like plate. Used to describe someone who is very ugly. For example,
That guy chop wowo like lick plate.
This one I go be. This is trouble. Coded. To do something without anyone noticing. Codedly. Discreetly. I like to do my things codedly. Collabo. Act of working jointly, a collaboration. Color B. To meet and take someone somewhere abruptly. You just the flex. You just the cruise. You're just enjoying, you're just having a good time. Cool down. Cool temper. Calm down. Bonda talk. Let bygones be bygones. Die eat. Forget about it. I don't want to hear Abeg, die eat. Dulling. Boring. That lecture last week did dulling. No dulling. The fun shall continue. No dulling here, I beg. Do care. Do care. A beat or melody of the heart or drums. Dry. Not funny. Man, that guy joke dry, die.
Fire. Indeed. Yeah,
you're
right.
Pepe fire. Money indeed. Pepe don't rest. Pepe no rest. Fem, keep quiet. Quams, problem, headache. No qualms, no problem. Nothing do you. I'm great. Nothing do you. I've got your back. Nothing they pa. There is absolutely no problem. Number 6. Common sense. Use your number 6. Obago. Expression used to signify something has happened or a bank alert has come through. Smear. Very dull, sluggish in a way of acting and thinking. Small, gently. Do am small. Do it gently. Shingban, to be broke. Shikena, period. That's it. Tay, long time. It don't tay where I see you. Tay, for a long time. I don't dey wait here tey. TDB, till daybreak, until the break of dawn. The night vigil na TDB. The night vigil is until the break of dawn, okay? Yeah. Stupid, bad, spoil. Come on for you man. Leave this place, you stupid man. Yori, sweetness or a good feeling of something. Totori, ticklish. Zanku, a new energetic dance that has taken the Nigerian music industry and social life by storm. It involves the asynchronous thumping of the feet on the ground and eventual kick out to complete the steps.
FOC, free of charge. Osho free of charge. These are some of the slang expressions in Nigerian Pidgin English. There are tons of them. See you in my next video. Peace is in.